You have your list. You have your strategy. Now let us talk about moving faster. The most powerful accelerator in paying off debt is finding extra money to throw at it. And before you say you do not have any, look closer. Go through your last 30 days of spending. Every subscription. Every meal out. Every impulse purchase. Most people find $50 to $200 a month quietly disappearing without a trace. That money, redirected to your debt, changes everything. It is not about living miserably. It is about being intentional, temporarily, so you can live freely, permanently. Now look at your income side. Can you pick up extra hours? Freelance on weekends? Sell things sitting unused in your home? Even an extra $200 a month applied directly to your top priority debt can shave years off your payoff timeline. Here is something most people never think to do: call your creditors and negotiate. Ask for a lower interest rate. Ask about hardship programs. Ask if they will settle for less than the full balance. The answer is not always yes. But it costs you nothing to ask. And sometimes, the answer will genuinely surprise you. If you have multiple high-interest debts, look into debt consolidation. This is where you combine several debts into one single loan, ideally at a lower interest rate. One payment. One interest rate. Less confusion. Less money hemorrhaging every month to compounding interest eating silently through your balance. It will not work for everyone. But if your credit score allows it, it can be a powerful tool to simplify your situation and reduce the total interest you pay over time. Always read the terms carefully. Always compare the numbers. Make sure the consolidation loan is actually cheaper, not just easier. Now, the part nobody talks about enough. The mindset. Build a small emergency fund before aggressively attacking debt. Even $500 set aside. This sounds counterintuitive, but without a cushion, every unexpected expense goes straight back onto a credit card. You end up paying off debt and immediately recreating it. That buffer breaks the cycle. And stop creating new debt while eliminating old debt. Stress spending is real. Emotional purchases are real. Recognize the pattern. Name it. Interrupt it. Because the version of you that is debt-free is not a fantasy, it is simply the version of you that made one better decision at a time, consistently, without giving up. Debt does not define where you are going. It is only a record of where you have been. And where you are going is free.